Hello, good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. How are you? Let's see who's here. Good morning, Paul. How are you? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, let's see. We'll wait for a few more seconds till everybody joins and then we can start. Right. What a tricky market. What a tricky market it is. Good morning, Liada. How are you? Hello, 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 everyone. How was your this morning? You guys took any trades? London session? Right, okay. I think we should start, or maybe just wait for another few seconds and then we can start. Right, okay, let's start with the gold. What I'm looking at gold is we got a really nice rejection from all these highs. Previous day high, last 3 days, previous week high actually, and see how the price has been reacting over here. Coming to 4 hour, now we are in this 4 hour fair value gap, and that we got another 42 minutes till this candle close. So we want to see if the price goes below this 4 hour fair value gap or not, this one. So we got another 42 minutes. We need to watch it. And if we go on the lower time frame on 1 hour, we're leaving some bearish fair value gaps on the downside. So we need to watch it. We need to wait how the price react on this 4 hour fair value gap and this daily fair value gap. But I can say we reacted quite bearish. From these tops, sweeping previous week high, previous day high, all this liquidity on the top, and how the price is coming down here. So the question here is how we react to this fair value gap, and we'll take it from there. Let's see if anybody else join it. Okay, silly question. There is no silly question. There is no silly question, Paul. All the questions are valid. Isn't the data bearish in general? Yes. It's a hot, CPI came a little hotter than expected. So basically, if it's hotter, there are less chances to reduce the interest rates. And but anyways, that's already priced in, because I don't think so. When last Fed meeting, Powell said we're not expecting maybe only one interest rate cut this year and then couple next year. So that is already been priced in. I don't think so that's going to affect a lot in the market. Took same trade. All right, okay. You took the same long with the sink and then it was stopped out. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's the gold. And lower time frame, yeah, see this intraday short term looks a little bearish on the gold, but as I said, on the 4 hour and daily, we need to watch all those, how we react the price, the fair value gap we need to watch, and how the price react, and we'll take it from there. Jumping on our favorites, all these three assets, NQYMES. Hello, good morning. Second, my notification went off. Right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah. Okay. So sorry, I start with the ES. ES again. We're seeing a little bit of, I can't say bearish price action, but yeah, bit of lag this morning. Maybe the data related, maybe geopolitical related, but yeah. So we got this high, previous day high. We need to see today is what I'm really focused on is where is the fucking if we close below this previous day low, or we go to some lower time frame and all these internal liquidity for example, we are in the 4-hour FVG now. So this one here, we haven't closed below this. So price is, right, okay, price still here. So that's what we need to watch it, how we reacting. I'm expecting a bullish price from here because I don't have any other reason to go bearish, because every time you watch a 4-hour, this leg down and what happened, this leg down, what happened, this leg down, this consolidation and what happened. Every single time we came to any sort of IRL, we reacted really, really nicely since this whole move is started every time. So till then, we start making some lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Till then, I mean, probably this price come here, go lower high, come back, lower low, lower high, lower low. Till then, we have no reason to go bearish. Every time we hit into this internal liquidity, we always see a reaction. So, I mean, this here, 4-hour, and see the reaction. We swapped previous day low, and then, you know, we're getting a really nice reaction out of it. Same with the YM. YM actually stronger than ES and NQ today, because YM haven't swapped previous day lows today. Is it? No. So this is previous day low in YM, haven't swapped, but NQ and ES have swapped previous day lows. So, hello. Yeah, hi Z, how are you? So we need to see how the price is reacting from these fair value gaps. Coming to NQ, same thing. We are in daily fair value gap here. Nicely reacting from this, holding so far. If we go on the 4-hour, we got these back-to-back fair value gaps on 4-hour. So what we need to see is, if we start inverting this fair value gap here, 4-hour, that we go another 36 minutes. We need to watch it and how we react if we go on these bearish fair value gap on the lower time frame on 1 hour or 90 minutes. We got the 190 minutes fair value gap here. That's, I mean, when price reach here, we need to see how it reacts. Exactly same. So far, I say we got really nice reaction. This, and when market opens, we need to see when price reach here, how we react or reject or accept. And based on that, then we can frame our trades today. 15 minutes, if I look anything on 15 minutes, no, really. This level I think is very important, because every time price coming on this level here, every time it's been bouncing off. This is going to be a really nice level to inverted if you want to go long and see the reaction over here. And, you know, so if we go up and reject, and then probably we're gonna tap into some, you know, OTE that on the 4-hour, probably this is the second fair value gap here, this one. So, but again, I'm not bearish, I'm neutral to bullish, and we're gonna take the trade based on the market, at how the market and how the price opens, and based on that. So this is the two levels I'm watching. Okay, I'll put on 15 minutes, so it's gonna be easier for me to watch. Right, okay, guys, any question? If you have any questions, we got another 5 minutes. Okay, we got this 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, we got this fair value gap we'll be watching. Okay, There's too much noise. I'm gonna get rid of this fair value gap. We know that we are in 4 hour and daily fair value gap anyway, so get rid of this. Okay. What your thought, guys? What you looking at? You bearish today? You bullish today? Or neutrals? Staying sideline to see how the price reacts? Come on, drop some of your views. Okay. Zach, did you trade this morning? You bearish. You always bearish. Oh, you always bearish. That is neutral, waiting for open. Yeah, same. I'm neutral to bullish. I need to see, because we are in very tricky market. When we are all-time highs and the market has been running non-stop for 6 weeks, you can't go bearish and you can't be enough bullish because the price is already run too much. What you need some sort of internal liquidity come down, show you some bullish momentum. After testing all these FVGs and internal liquidity, and then you can base it. But as I said, market is really, really tricky. You see the price yesterday. Oh my God, the price yesterday was so bad. Look at this price. What happened? All that, and then just drags all this slowly grinding up. So we need to see the open, of course. Still waiting for the open. Yeah, that's what we took along with single stop. Nothing else today. Okay. Yeah, it was a good long actually. It was a good, nice ILM swept Asia. Uh, I think I was watching this one as well, but I was in the gym. I couldn't take a long, so I think this is over here. Yeah, it was a nice reaction. But we could have waited for this order block here. This 5-minute order block. This one, these two candles. That was responsible to sweep the Asia low, came back, and then we rejected from this order block again. Yes, we had this fair value gap that got inverted with these two candles. Really nice reaction, of course. And then, since then, just price did actually nothing. So now we need to see how open. I'm looking some higher prices, to be honest. Let's see how it goes. 1 minute. All right, guys, we got actually 1 minute. 1 minute to open, 1 minute and 10 seconds. And hopefully, let's see if we get any trades today. But I won't be forcing any trades. If we get any clean setup, and then we can take the trade. Paul is bearish to all-time lows. Paul is looking for TGIF every single day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday till Friday. Actually, I can't say Paul is wrong. I'm looking for some sort of some lower prices. It's just been running non-stop from last 6 weeks, man. No breather, no stop, no rest, nothing. It's just running and running. Okay, we'll wait for first 5 minutes and see how the price develops. So far, looking good for the longs. But let's see how the price do when we get to these levels. So we go another fair value gap here. I think this one here. Yeah. Right. Okay. Bearish open. Go down, sweep all the liquidity at the bottom, and then you can reverse and go to new all-time high, right? All right, guys, we're not going to rush anything. We'll watch carefully how the price Hi Rob, how are you? Good morning. Little break, how is everyone? All good, everyone is good. You took a little break, did you go on holiday or just staying away from charts? Looks like price want to go down today. I mean, every time we were bearish, price going up, we are bullish, price start gonna go down. that's standard. Are we leaving any fair value gap here? Get rid of this one. This 5 minutes, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, staying away from. Yeah, you always. I mean, sometimes you need to give a little break to yourself. So, and you're right. All-time highs are crazy. It's a tricky market to trade. Okay, guys, we'll be watching this fair value gap. See if the price comes back here, and I'm watching this 5 minute as well. So, anyways, I get rid of this, but. So while you staying away from chart, did you do anything interesting? Nothing yet, guys. We need to wait. Anybody enter the trade? Yeah. Anybody looking for any shorts, longs? What are you guys looking for? Oh, you already entered short, I'm sure. 3 minis. Oh, bless him. Is 4. Oh, bless him, man. Yeah, man. Sometime, why we do all that hard work and everything, of course, for the family, isn't it? And you have to spend some time with the family, a good time, family, friends. That's life is. Hopefully the price gonna be good today. Nas react to some nice tools today, not like yesterday, very draggy price action, doing nothing, choppy and choppy. Hopefully it won't be like that. Okay, this is a nice reduction from this, but I need to see. Actually, to be honest, I won't take a short till we get some strong displacement below these levels. Otherwise, it's going to be a trap, I think. I'm not in favor of short so far. Look short, but no entry. Yeah, look short, but no entry. Yeah. But I need to see more confirmation, Iliada. The thing is, how the market is from last 6 weeks. 99% of the shorts didn't play. Only one played is the long, but we need to see more reaction. Yeah, today we have some bearish, this lag down, impulsive lag down, but we need to see more because we go stacked all these fair value gap at the bottom. We on the daily fair value gap, back to back 4 hour fair value gap. So I'll wait patiently. Not in favor of short so far. Yeah, scalps maybe, yeah, but I don't do scalps. You guys know that. I mean, I don't trade 10, 15, 20 points. All day price couldn't stay above. Yes, yeah, I'm watching this. That's why I say we need to see a strong displacement above this. Only then we can look for a long. Every time we went over there and we got rejected every single time. Yeah, that's a good catch. Yeah. So, okay, how's the 5 minutes looking? Have we inverted this fair value gap? We go 3 minutes not inverted. This first 5 minute came and look at this wick. We haven't inverted this one. So the second one is, I mean, let's see if we invert this 5 minute fair value gap. Same price action back and forth, these candles. So it's always better to wait till you get some clean direction. It would be nice if price start going down to some, like, these 4 hours and daily fair value gap at the bottom, because I'm uncomfortable longing, and uncomfortable shorting. so uncomfortable on both sides. So mm, mm, mm. I don't know why I have a feeling if price start dropping, it's gonna come here, sweep this one pre-market levels and go up. If it's accepted below these levels and come back some sort of leaving some fair value gap, come back, retest and start going down, only then I'll take a short. No, now. Is it on gold? Yeah, I'm not watching gold. I don't know. I mean, I take very less trades on gold. 95% of my trades in NQ rather than gold. But you smashing gold from last couple of weeks, isn't it, Paul? Always. Yeah, we swapped all these, come back. Yeah, maybe, yeah. But I won't touch gold. I'll focus on NQ. Okay, we got some nice reaction. Let's see. Okay, let's see if we get a CISD over here. Leaving some fair value gaps behind. And it will be idle if price did is come back, sweep this lows, and then give us a fair value gap and IFVG on the top. It will be ideal and nice. I would love that more rather than this one, but let's see. Okay, 15 minutes start looking good. We need a strong displacement above previous day low. This order block. Then since London, the price is rejecting. Yeah, it's good. I mean, it's good, man. If you're getting a trades in gold, that's nice. At least playing better than NQ. Okay, back-to-back fair value gap, but still I need a candle closer above these. I'll wait. Anybody long? Anybody went long in this? Long gold. Oh, you in long gold? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'll wait for this. I'll wait for this. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Looks nice. Tap into here and see the reaction. Let's see. Okay. Okay. I haven't entered yet, guys. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, looks nice to me. 15. I'm gonna enter now. I'm gonna go to long here. And I'm gonna put my stop loss. Okay. So that's 145, that's 100-point stop. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm in. I'm in. Anybody else went along here? We get some nice reaction. That's a nice close. Let's see. If we get previous day high, Asia high, that's the target. Okay, you in, Paul? Good. Are you in gold and NQ all long? Okay, everything. Bloody hell. My another system is just hanged. Couldn't long in on that. Oh my god. Copy trader didn't work. Yes. Double barrel. Yes. Shooting from all the barrels, man. Good, man. Good. Yeah, looks nice. Long to me. Yeah. Yeah, we in. Let's see. Looking for Asia high or previous day high. For now, I'm gonna put a limit here. Okay. I like this 15-minute candle. That looks really nice. 5-minute. But we need to see if we involve this one. Okay. 1 hour. We got another 15 minutes left for this 1 hour candle closer. So far looking nice. Who else is in the long? See, that's what I was saying before, everybody's looking for a, looks like a short or I want to go short. Yeah, maybe it can work out, but we need to wait every time price. I mean, I was waiting for this to get, get all this price action inverted, and only then I can able to go long. That was the only reason, because every time you notice from last few weeks, every time we open an New York session, we do this price of action, and then a bearish price lag, and then the price start going up. Hey guys, if you enter over here and you are in the long, please do manage your 50 mil bullish. Yeah, it looks really nice. Please do manage your positions. So I'll do, I mean, I won't micromanage anyway, so I have stop loss under my targets over there. Probably I'm gonna take a TP over here, first TP somewhere here on these levels, you know, and then maybe and just scale it, you know. And guess what? Price just reverse from here all the way to the downside. Okay, let's see what we have here now. 5 minutes, amazing. We closed so strongly about this order block that I was looking for. So this order block is okay. So become an order block or what? Let's see if they become an order breaker block. Okay. If we become a breaker block, price came, retest, and go up again, I'll be more confident in this long that you're gonna get to your Asia high or previous day high, you know. So far a good reaction. Are we leaving any fair value gap on 5 minutes? Very tiny, very little. 2 minutes. That's inverted. That's 1 minute. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. We don't need. So we tapped into a weekly open. Can I go through my strategy? Yeah, of course. Why not? Right. Okay. So, 1 second. I was watching this when the price opened. I was watching this order block from London session. Every time price went to this order block, this is a 5-minute order block, by the way. If I go to this 5-minute order block, see, this order block is responsible to sweep the Asia low. Price came back, rejected, and every time we tapped into this order block, we rejected every single time. So when the price opened, I was watching a closer strong displacement below this level or above this level. So that triggered my entry. So when the price opened, we did nothing. This candle closed. I was watching on 1 minute to see if we get closer about this candle and this, all that. So we got this reaction, and then that was my trigger for the entry. Now we retesting these fair value gaps here. No, don't like this candle. You know, I mean, this weekly open, the rejection from weekly open is not very good. How's the 15-minute looking? 15 minutes, not so good. Not looking very good. If this 15 minutes engulf all this bullish price action and close below this, that looking ultra shit to me. That's looking very bad to me. Do you understand my entry? Why did I enter long over there? We need a strong push from here, quickly invert all this, engulf all this bearish price action. Otherwise, we are in, you know, trouble. No worries. Anytime, mate. So basically, we are in this 1 hour bearish fair value gap. went over there, sweep this, all that, and then very indecisive candle, look at this candle. No. We tapped into this one, not really, missed here by a few ticks. No, 15 minutes not looking good, but I keep my stop loss where it is. There's no point micromanaging it. I won't change them. So we got this 15-minute fair value gap. Hopefully hold, price hold here, and if not, then previous day low. Let's see how the 5 minutes looking. 5 minutes is not looking good either. We got okay, candle close below here. That looks bearish to me. But the thing is, we're already in the position, so I don't want to go short straight away. I want to see what happens here. We're tapping back into this. Sorry. We're tapping back into this. Looks like a short, yeah, it's looked like a short, but I'm already in long, so I won't close it till my thesis proved wrong. My thesis is I want to get stop out here. If I get stop out here, then I'll look into shorts. Yes, you are most welcome. If you think it look like a short, you want to go short, most welcome, you can go short. But I won't close my position manually because my stop loss is not triggered yet. And when I entered this position, I decided obviously this is going to be my stop loss and my target going to be Asia high or previous day high. So the thesis is still valid for me. Okay, so far good, looking good. I'm going to get rid of this one. There's no use, it's gone. I need to see what happens here. This hopefully price won't do what it did yesterday, all day yesterday, just up, down, doing nothing, like ping pong, all day ping pong. Okay, I mean, we're getting some nice reaction of this fair value gap, all this. Let's see if the price continue to the upside or, I mean, play freaky to us, like yesterday. By the way, I'm still in the trade. I think so, yeah. I'm still in the trade. I'm not going to micromanage, so we got set TPs and stop loss, nothing to do. Everybody who went long still in the trade, or anybody closed it, or anybody took the profit, partials or anything? That's a nice rejection from here. But the thing is, still in, no touchy, yeah, stop in place. If it hits, yeah, still long, okay. No TP taken. Yeah, I mean, our long look shit though. I'm not gonna lie to you, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's looking shit, but yeah, it is what it is because we don't move stop loss. If you get hit, hit. Right, okay, this candle closed in 4 minutes, and if this candle closes like this, then prices look ultra shit to me. Or maybe, I was telling you guys before, I would be more confident to take a long if the price, what price do is go below these levels here, sweep all that, came and something like that. So maybe the price going to do that and then, reverse. You took short. Yeah, good. Well done, man. Well done, Z. Good, good, good. You're going to hold. What's your TP? What's your target? Previous day low? I mean, one more push and we out. We're going to stop out after that. Yeah? Nearly there. Okay. Yeah, look like we're going to get stop out on this one, but it is what it is. And we'll see what happens over here. If anything clean, I'll take a trade. Otherwise, I'm going to skip it. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm stopped out. -1 hour. I'm out of this trade. And see, price stopped us out and go all the way up now. Okay, how are these two doing? YM, okay, low, low. All three assets are in the same direction. Okay, 15 minutes. Wow, look at YM on 15 minutes. Whoa. Okay, we go. Okay. So you stopped out on gold as well, Paul? You long gold. You must have stopped out on gold as well. Right, guys, I'm gonna wait. I won't take any trade. I need to see how the price develops. But yeah, price looking quite bearish. You stop on both here. It's so tempting to go short by looking at this candle. I'm not gonna lie, This candle got 52 seconds to close here, and what is it? Okay, but I won't enter. The reason is the stop loss is 163 point. Normally, when I look at 15-minute candle and I give me like nice this candle taking all the price, I go short. But if it's like 70, 80 points, but this is 180, 190 points. So okay, this is gone now. Okay. Who else is short? Is anybody else is short? Or I'm sure. Okay, good, good. We got a few people short. That's good. Just manage your position nicely. Okay, look, where are we now? On we went to this order block 1 hour, you know, and just rejected from there nicely. Wow, look at this candle. 15-minute candle, wow. Okay, I'll wait for price to tap back into this area and see how it reacts. Leave any fair value gap, maybe, you know, and then look for maybe short. Actually, this order block. Okay. We haven't left any fair value gap in these all these candles. So whoever went short, it's a good idea. You guys book some profits because you never know. Market is very bullish, and then all this is sweep. See, you don't have any single candle close below this level. So yeah, I'm not saying the price gonna go up or like yes, it can just jump to a previous day low, but thing is you need to be, protecting your positions, is it looks more bearish to me. Yes, maybe continue falling, but again, keep booking partials, This is good reaction from the 730 level. Okay, we inverted this one. Gone. Clear. If somebody looking for a short, you can go short here, putting a price stop loss over here, and maybe for 2 hour, something like this. But I'll wait. Something like this. Yes, this short look good to me. But I'm not in the trade. I'm not gonna go short because market is bullish in a higher time frame. I don't want to go short till we invert any of those 4 hour fair value gap. Price invert them, leave some fair value gap on high time frame, come back, retest and fail. Only then I'll be looking for shorts, not before that. Every time we tap into these high time frame fair value gaps or IR, I'll be looking for a long only. I mean, for me, there is no short. We're leaving a fair value gap on 4 hour now. Let's see if we leave because this candle still 4 hour. The candle just started. Maybe just manipulating the previous candle, 4 hour candle, and then you're gonna see a market gonna start going up again. We got 3 hour 54 minutes for this candle. So if we leave this fair value gap, invert this one, go down, and only come back and retest these bearish fair value gap, only then I'll be looking for bearish price action on any shorts, not before that. I'll be more to the longs, maybe the price want to target this one here, or still not inverted this one. We haven't inverted this one, so the price didn't close below this. and we swapped the previous 4-hour candle here, and look how the price is reacting. So I'll wait for the shorts. I won't enter any shorts. Right, guys, so far nothing for me. If anything comes, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop on Discord. And if you're not on the Discord, please do join our Discord. Follow us on X for updates. And thank you for joining the stream. And I'll see you later. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day. Safe trading. Happy trading. Thank you. Bye bye.